Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get my AI on Snapchat. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, what you need to do is just simply you have to open Snapchat. Now after that, what you need to do guys, just simply you have to tap on your profile here and just simply you have to tap on Snapchat Plus. Now guys, if you want to get my AI on Snapchat, let me tell you that this is not free, so you have to pay for that. For that you have to subscribe Snapchat Plus and you can easily get my AI on Snapchat. But in some user you can see here subscribing is not available. So guys, subscribing is not available here, then you have to log in your account in iPhone and there you can easily subscribe Snapchat Plus and you can easily get my AI on Snapchat. So if you want to get my AI without subscribing, then you have to tap on three icon contact support. Now you have to scroll it down a bit and you have to tap on cross icon. Now from here guys, you have to tap on how do I access my AI on Snapchat. Now wait some second from here guys. Again you have to tap on this cross icon, then you have to tap on this article did not answer my question, tap on submit. Now from here guys, tap on contact us. Now wait some second from here guys. Now after that you have to tap on I need help with a Snapchat feature, then you have to scroll it down, then tap on my AI. Now scroll from here, you have to tap on what can I do chat with about my AI. So you have to wait some seconds from here guys. Now after that what you need to do, just simply you have to scroll it down, just simply you have to tap on yes. Now from here guys, here you have to put your username and here you have to put your email address and here you have to tell them that you want to get my AI on Snapchat, but Snapchat Plus subscription is not available for me. Please give me my AI on Snapchat for testing. Now from here you have to verify that you're a human and just simply have to tap on submit, and after that your request will be submitted and hopefully you can get my AI on your account. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and share my channel. Thanks for watching.